What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package says on it that it was sent by DLT Trading, and I didn't order anything from DLT Trading, which means it's likely from somebody that well, when you guys see this, it'll be like weeks in the future, but I recently asked, like, hey, here's a list of things I want to review, and a whole bunch of people stepped up. By the way, thank you to everybody who stepped up and was like, yeah, absolutely, because you guys are all providing content for the channel, and I really appreciate that. It's hard for me to remember exactly who said I bought something and I'm sending it to you direct from the dealer, and people who said I'm sending it to you directly from me. So this is from somebody, I think, who ordered it and just had it shipped directly to my P.O. box. But anyways, we're going to find out together if the person who actually sent this to me, if you want to speak up and let it be known, I will pin your comment down in the comments section. Before we get started here, by the way, I don't have the new dedicated unboxing knife ready yet. But before we get started here, if you guys go to the description of this video and just push that arrow there and pull it down, you're going to see my Amazon store, you're going to see my Redbubble for my merch, you're going to see Patreon if you want to support the channel, and you're going to see a link for my sister channel, Silent Complex, as well as a bunch of individual links. But if you click on my Amazon store, it's going to pull you to, I'm really excited about this. This is something I've been working on for a while. All of my most recommended stuff is all categorized out, so you guys can actually go in and take a look, whether you're looking for ZT knives specifically or Leatherman multi-tools. Perhaps you're looking for knife maintenance stuff, or you just want to know what my most recommended stuff is without going back and watching all 750 of my uploads. So feel free to scratch your itch using my description. What's my time? I did okay there. I always try to keep that under a minute. I know you guys are like, self-promotion, shut up. You wouldn't believe how many people ask me daily, do you recommend X knife? Well, now you can find out for yourself. Well, now, wait a sec. This is a Protech? Protech. Okay, hang on. What's in here? That's the sticker. Okay. So this is another SNG Auto is what this is. I just ruined it. Okay, let's take a look here at the SNG Auto. I have an SNG Auto, but it's not the standard one. It's the titanium one. So, I mean, this is still something that I want to show. Oh my goodness. Check this out. Brand new. Oh, you ready? You guys ready to see this? Sorry, it's a little dark. Boom! That is really, really cool. Sorry about how dark it is, guys. Interesting firing button. Awesome DLC coated blade. Completely sterile. Literally nothing on the blade. Can I turn the brightness up? Yeah, there we go. Is that a little bit easier on the eyes there? Yeah, that is really, really cool. I love that it's completely sterile. Now, I remember somebody telling me that they had an SNG on the way. So if this was you, please let me know. This is awesome. We will definitely be comparing with the Strider PT. Well, actually, I don't know if I'll still have that in my time. But in any case, we'll be talking about this. This is a different variant than the titanium one. Yeah, awesome. I can't wait to take an in-depth look at that. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.